Current events require new paths and roads to navigate. At Camelback Subaru, we're adapting our services to meet your needs in the safest and most conveniently exciting way possible. In this video, we will cover how to find your ideal vehicle, understand its available features, and lastly, how to access and navigate our online purchase program. Start off your adventure by logging onto our website at www.camelbacksubaru.com. On our homepage, you can browse our new and pre-owned inventory, check out exciting finance incentive opportunities, communicate with service and parts, or hear a little bit more about the Camelback Difference experience. Below that, custom search Subaru models through year and body style. Or check out our own suggestions for that perfect next vehicle. Find a home run in no time with interactive 360-degree walkarounds, both outside and in, as well as various categorized features. From Subaru's very own eyesight safety demonstration to covering how to hook up your phone to Bluetooth. You'll be confidently educated in minutes. Looking to save even more time? Scroll down to our seamless shopping tools and get behind the wheel of your next vehicle purchase. Value your trade-in, add accessories, customize payments, apply for credit, and consider Camelback's unique protection plan offerings from the comfort of your very own home. Upon submitting, let us step in and know how we may be of assistance. From scheduling a test drive to enrolling in our VIP white glove home delivery, buying a vehicle has never been so convenient and exciting. Allow us to be your first step in looking forward to the adventures ahead. After all, it's about embracing not just the destination, but the journey as well at Camelback Subaru.